guys, welcome back to the channel. Oh my god, I am so excited for another Stationery Pal unboxing. Look how cute their packaging is. I feel like this one is a little bit different from the designs that they've done in the past. Like, this one is just so colorful and like bold. I love it. It feels like summer. It feels like something my girls would love. I don't know, it's just so freaking cute. I'm just gonna show you the box. Look how cute that is. If you guys have seen any of my other hauls, you'll already be like forewarned that I definitely use cute way too many times. I'm gonna try not to do it in this one, but I mean, like, do you understand? You understand, right? Why I have to say the word a million times? Okay, so I literally just got this package. I have not seen what's inside. I obviously know what I ordered, but it's been a while, but I wanted to unbox it with you guys. And look at this top part. It says thank you in this rainbow, and it's always just like opening like a birthday present when you unbox their packages. Okay, so I'm really excited to show you guys everything that I got this time. I got a lot of like little pouches because I just saw so many pouches that I loved on their site, all different types of pouches. And in the past, I've gotten a tote from them that I literally use like every single week. I've done a whole video on it, so I'll link it up here. It's just such an amazing, affordable tote. It has a lot of pockets, like zipper closures at the top and everything. And so I just love it. I literally use it every single week. Okay. So, as you can tell, it always comes with like the super cute confetti and the little bear. And this is like a little pencil or pen topper. And it's just so fun and cozy. It just like puts a smile on your face, you know? And like these little random things are just so fun. I love giving these to my girls. Okay. So let's get right into the things that I got. And by the way, I will obviously link everything down below along with my discount code if you guys are interested in any of this stuff. So you can just check down in the description box below if you want like a direct link to get anything. Okay, so the first thing that I got is this these little tabs for notebooks, and they're called index stickers. You probably can't tell from the video, but like they actually have this really cool texture to them. It's almost like the linen texture a little bit. That's how I would best describe it, but it just has I don't know why it says point, and then 1 to 12 for the months, and then some other tabs if you are like using it to write something yourself there. And I love these because, as you know, this past year has been such like a notebook era, and Hobonichis, these are great for notebooks. So I thought I would pick myself up one of these. Love that. Okay, I'm just gonna move this out of the way. Okay, so the next thing that I got, these are a couple pens, and I've obviously gotten a lot of these before. These are the Zebra mild liners. I got this in this like sandy sand color, and it's double-ended. So there's like a thinner tip on this side and a thicker tip on that side. And I love these for highlighting like dates and stuff in my planner. So yeah, I have them in a whole bunch of colors that I got all from Stationery Pal. Let me just show you a couple. They actually have sets of these. So here's like 2 of them, a gray one, this other beige color. I think this is actually a repeat of this one. And I got another one because I like use this color so often. And then I have them in like this sage green color and a whole bunch of other colors. So yeah, really love those. The other thing that I got is this Muji pen. So I've heard a lot about Muji, obviously, and they have a store in Toronto, but I've never been to it because it's a bit further away from where I live. So I thought I would pick one of these up, but I think this is a 5mm pen, so it's a bit thicker than I normally use. I do prefer the 0.27 pen tips, but I've just heard such good things about Muji gel pens that I thought I would give it a try. And I always like retractable or like a thing with the clip, just because like I like to clip it on paper. But if you see, this is like a pretty cool clip actually. Like, look how much it opens. Anyway, so we'll give that one a try. Okay, so the next thing you'll see, I got a few pouches. Okay, so the first one is a pretty basic one, and it's just this little black one. And the reason why I love these pouches is because like you can use these obviously for your stationery, like pens and whatever. But what I like to use these for also is makeup. So whenever you're traveling and you just need to toss like a couple like makeup brushes in here or just whatever makeup you need, it's always nice to kind of have these little pouches. So I grabbed a few of them. I really like this one because it's just so simple. I like that it's like a plasticky material, so if I wanted to use my brushes or put my makeup brushes in here, I could, and like it wouldn't like scuff up like a cloth material. With this I could just obviously wipe it off, so it would be amazing. So it's pretty simple, it just looks like that. And if you're into the minimalist look, then this is great. I think they also have this in a different color, like a neutral color, if you don't like the black. Okay, so let's continue with the pouches. So the next thing that I got was this pouch, and I'm kind of excited to see how it works, but just see if there's any instructions here. Nope. Okay, so this pouch sits like this, like it's like, look at it, it's like what's this called? Not a cylinder obviously, but like a long cube, but it has so many cool pockets. And I think like you unzip this main thing. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, did you see that? Oh my gosh, look how cool that is. So this is amazing because if you can open it up this way, now you can see everything in your pen case, right? The worst thing is like when it opens this little and you have to like rummage through. Look how big that opens up. And then it even has like little pockets throughout so you can organize your stuff. And a center pocket here with a zipper, and then another little pouch with like a thing here so you could put like a ruler or something that you want to lay flat to the side. That's amazing. Then there's a front little pouch here, and then in the back there's a button one too. Oh my gosh, look how much stuff you could fit in here. And again, I think this would be like a perfect little toiletries or makeup pouch for on the go if you needed it to, if you wanted it to use for something besides stationery. I love that. I just love how big it opens. Okay, that's probably one of my favorite pouches I've ever gotten. And the zipper is just really good quality, very sturdy. Oh my gosh, I love this, and like love the neutral color. Okay, highly recommend this one. Okay, the next thing that I got was these washi tapes. And I got these because they are from the brand Kokuyo, and I just feel like Kokuyo makes really good stuff. And I just wanted some more like thin neutral washies, and I thought these were kind of cute colors. I love like this beige color, and then the green and the pink are more like neutral. They're not neutral, but they're more like toned down. So I thought I would grab a couple of those. The next thing I got are these bear sticky notes, and I just think they're so cute. They're literally shaped in, they are literally the shape of a bear. How cute is that? And they come in a bunch of different colors. You know, just if you want to jot something down for the day, especially if it's like something related to my girls, I just thought it would be really cute to put it on some fun little sticky notes instead of like the normal ones. Yeah, and they're pretty thin, so, well, maybe they're just the regular. They feel a bit thinner. I don't know, something about it feels a bit thinner. Either way, super cute. A random keychain of a little astronaut. I didn't order that, they just threw that in. Oh, okay, this is great. I'm just trying to see. Okay, so these are little planner stickers, and I like things that are just like, you know, small, very neutral. If you guys have seen how I plan, I'm a very minimal planner. I don't use a lot of deco, so I like stickers that are either very small or just very functional. So these ones have like the days of the week here. There's like little weather symbols here, and they come in different colors, and yeah, I like how they're really small and stuff, just so that they obviously don't take a lot of a space, and you can use these even like in Hobonichi weeks when you want like a smaller sticker for a smaller planner. These are great. And currently I'm using pocket rings, so I obviously like the smaller stickers, and I'll link my pocket rings flip through if you guys want to check that out over here. But yeah, so pick these up. And I also love that they're neutral colors, right? Like that's key too. Okay, so the next thing, I got a lot of stickers, clearly. So I got some more of those stickers that you can fold in half and stick onto the edges of pages. And these ones just say point, and then like there's like a little star and triangle and little, what is this, question mark. And again, because there's been just so much notebook stuff happening, I thought I would get some of these just like in anticipation of getting notebooks. I did order a Sterling Ink 2024 planner. I'll link the video where I talk about like my decision going through her announcement of all of her releases and stuff. I'll link it up there. But yeah, I just did decide to get a notebook for next year. So, you know, also why I got a bunch of these. And check out the video in the comments, because a lot of people gave their opinions and it's just like so fun to read what everyone else is getting. Okay, so the next thing I got is just a pretty simple month on 2 pages. This is a Muji monthly notebook. Again, I don't have a Muji close to me, but I've just heard so many good things. So any Muji stuff that I saw, I was like, oh, I'm going to test that out. So it's a Monday start, as you can tell, and it just has like an area here to write monthly stuff, and then of course just a very simple month on 2 pages. So this is in the A5 size, and I think this would be really great if anybody's a big monthly planner, or if you wanted to use this for pre-planning, this would be amazing, because the squares are like big enough to actually fit stuff, right? And you can fit so many months in here. There's 32 pages, so this would be just like a really good supplemental notebook even. I do like to have like my pre-planning a little bit separate from like my main planning, just because you want to like pull it out and reference it while you're planning and not have to flip back and forth on pages. So that's an idea. Oh, I forgot I grabbed this. Okay, so this is from Kokuyo, their campus line, and they have these notebooks with like the little rings that open up, and they're just like the teeny spiral rings, but they open and close, and so you can add pages in there. So I got these A5 dotted ones, and there's 50 sheets in here. And what's great about this paper is that I've heard that like this handles all types of paper really well, and it handles obviously like fountain pen and watercolor and stuff. So I thought I would pick one of these up, and I like that they have the holes that open and close, because as you guys know, I like rings and flexibility. So this kind of gives you a notebook feel, because like the little spiral rings are very small, so it feels like a notebook, but it's like flexible because you can take pages in and out. And they even have this in like blank and I think lined. So what I could do if I wanted to was buy the blank A5 size and then print onto them directly like my printables, and then I could use printables inside one of those little spiral notebooks, or spiral like planners that they sell as well. And I think they have them on Amazon, so I'll link them down below on Amazon if you want to check it out there. Yeah, so that's why I got that. Okay, what is this thing? Is this like a filler box, or is there something in here? Oh, I did say this was a haul of lots of pouches. I almost forgot all the pouches that I got. Okay, what kind of pouch is this? Oh, this one is a stand-up pouch. Okay, I remember now. So this one is awesome because it just opens like that, but you see how there's like a little clip here? Because what you can do is attach it below, and it opens like this, and then you can have your stuff sitting in here, and it stands up like that, if you can imagine, right? And so here's another little zipper, so you can put stuff in this bottom zipper, and then obviously your pens and whatever here, or like even notepads or whatever, and then there's some slots back here. So again, thinking versatility. If you wanted to carry your paintbrushes, if you wanted to carry your makeup brushes, if you wanted to carry pens, but you want it very neatly placed so that, you know, if you were working at a desk or whatever, you can just open it directly and it's already sitting all lined up for you, then this is a really great pouch. See, it buckles quite well. And if I just lay it down, you can kind of see that it stays up very well. So that's why I got that one. That's a really good one too. I don't love the little tagged sayings that they have, like be yourself. My style is a bit tacky, I gotta say, but other than that, it's really great quality. And again, love the neutral color of this. Wow, I picked up some really good ones. And then my last one, I think, is a tote. Okay, yes it is. So like I said, I loved the tote that I got before from Stationery Pal, and so I thought I would pick up another one, and this is a different style. Okay, so this one is in this like canvasy material, and it's really great quality, very thick canvas material. And again, it's just like, if you can tell, it's a very simple looking tote. I don't know what it says at the front. And then there's like this pad here so that it like stands up, right? If you can imagine. And then the top has a zipper. I like the zipper closures. Really great, very heavy duty zipper so that you could zip it up. And then it has a nice zippered canvas pocket here. So the whole thing is obviously this like I think it's called canvasy material. It's hard to tell from video because it looks like a big black hole, but it's kind of like this shape where it's like more wide than long. The other one that I have is more like a longer tote, like that, like a more rectangle where the sides are longer here. So it's like this, whereas this one is like a wider tote. Is that a good explanation or not really? Okay, and then you can tell, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like a very good quality canvas tote. I really love this. I definitely will get a lot of use out of this for work or just like on the weekends if you are going somewhere and you might buy something. This is, I feel like, the perfect size. Okay, I'm gonna link this down below, and if they have somebody wearing it on the website, I will show you a picture of it too so you can get a sense of how it looks like on. Okay, so that is what I got in this haul. I hope you guys liked everything that I got. Again, I absolutely love Stationery Pal. There's so many things on there beyond stationery, so definitely check them out. They have such good affordable prices, and I'll leave my playlist here of all of my other hauls if you guys are interested to see what else I got in the past. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.